So looking back, this probably should have been the first video that I made for this channel, but here we are.
Nice.
So if it's not too late for introductions or anything, hi, my name is Carl. I am 22 years old, and I run this channel of the aesthetic. So I just wanted to make this video to kind of explain where that name came from and kind of my goals with this channel and what I want to do with it and the kind of content I want to create for this. So for the past few years I've been really interested in things like men's hair, men's fashion, and I guess things of like the outward aesthetic, you know, like I guess you could call it men's beauty, I guess. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff that I was really interested in, and so over the years of just learning it all and applying it in my own life, I kind of wanted to make this channel to express the things that I knew and kind of share that knowledge with people who might need it. And that's how this started out, you know, just being, I guess, teaching other men, I guess, the things involving like outward beauty. But as I thought about it more and I thought about what the word aesthetic really means, and to me it means somebody who's not only is able to recognize beauty, you know, but to also appreciate it, whether it is in yourself, it is in other people, and things like that. And so when I thought about it, I thought that I couldn't be somebody, or I couldn't consider myself aesthetic if I couldn't appreciate beauty that wasn't just the outward beauty. Because, I mean, a person's aesthetic shouldn't just be restricted to outward features, you know. I mean, people have really beautiful ideas, people can have really beautiful relationships with other people, and I feel like that should be appreciated also, and it should be recognized. And that's kind of the stuff that I wanted to bring about more. Like a person's beauty isn't just restricted to the stuff they wear, or it isn't just restricted to how they style their hair or how clear their skin is, or things like that. For example, like you could be wearing like the nicest outfit, you know, a tailored suit, you could own like 3 pairs of Yeezys or whatever, and you could have all this designer stuff, all like the best hair possible, but like if you're a terrible person, like on the inside, yeah, like then I just wouldn't consider you beautiful. Honestly, that's my opinion. But you know, I want this channel to, I guess, be the basis of a community for people who can not only appreciate the physical features, because obviously I want to make content about that stuff. You know, I love styling my hair, I love talking about fashion, I love experimenting with my own fashion, but at the same time I feel like me sharing my own ideas and my own opinions and expanding my own mind that way can not only help me to like recognize the beauty in myself, but maybe it can help other people too. You know, maybe there are people out there who agree with me and can kind of resonate with what I'm saying, or maybe they don't agree with me and maybe they can bring up that difference of opinion in the comments or something, and we could talk about it and have a discussion, you know, and maybe they could teach me something new, because I mean, I'm only 22, like I don't know anything about this world, like I've only lived 22 years, so like I'm always open to people expressing their ideas and expressing things that I don't know, so yeah. And because I'm so young, and because there's so much that I still don't know and I still don't understand, I don't want to come across as some guru, I guess, as if I know everything, because there's a lot of stuff that I don't know. You know, I don't want this just to be me telling you guys, oh, this is what you need to do. You know, this is what you have to do to live a better life or something. Like I want to learn with you guys. Yeah, like I want you guys to join me on my journey to, I guess, becoming aesthetic and becoming somebody who can appreciate beauty and everything, and kind of bring together the ideas of the outward beauties, like the fashion and like the hair and the grooming and the fitness, I guess, and kind of mix that in with, you know, the non-tangible stuff that I find beautiful. You know, I love poetry. Like I love writing poetry. I love listening to it, and that's kind of why I started doing spoken word lookbooks, because it brings together the two things that I find beautiful. into one thing. You know, and I want to keep doing that. I want to keep doing like hair tutorials and other lookbooks and videos like this where I could just kind of sit down and talk about things that I believe in, things that I guess resonate with me, and kind of start discussions with you guys. Yeah, but I mean, this is gonna be a journey for me, and I hope you guys are willing to kind of stick with it with me. Stick with it with me. And I hope you guys are willing to join me on it, because it's gonna be a lot of fun. You know, it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna do some cool stuff here. But yeah, if you're interested in like connecting with me or sharing your ideas with me or telling me how crappy my fashion is or my hair is or something, you know, feel free to do so. I'll leave like all my social media links in below. Just start a Facebook page so you can like that. I got a Facebook. I'm mostly on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're interested, you could hashtag your posts, hashtag OfTheAesthetic, and I'll be checking up on it every now and then. Right now the only posts up there that use the hashtag are me. So I'll know if you use it or not, trust me. Yeah. It's gonna be a fun ride. So please join me. Do I need a sign off?
Well, maybe not now, but that's our sign off.
That's my sign off. Peace.